Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 4, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 8. Third grade, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. Column D, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 4, 7. 9th grade, we already have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 3rd grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 8th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 7th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5, 9. 8th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. Column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column D, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7, 8. 6th grade, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8. 4th grade, we have 7. Column J also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. First grid, we already have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Fourth row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. Sixth row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column F, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B and third row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Third grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column I, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column I, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Fourth row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column I, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Seventh row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.